Hello everyone and welcome back to Fraud Analytics. In today's lecture, we'll be diving into the transaction flow, understanding what happens when a transaction is made, how the money is deducted from the customer's account, and how it moves to the merchant's bank account. Let's start with a basic scenario. Imagine a customer decides to buy a product. The customer uses a MasterCard issued by their bank, also known as the issuing bank, to make the purchase from a merchant. When the customer clicks buy, they are taken to a payment page. This page is where the customer enters their card details, along with other relevant information required for the transaction. This page is managed by the merchant, but also involves the card association, like MasterCard or Visa. Now, after the customer enters their payment information, the merchant's point of sale system captures the customer's account information and securely sends it to the acquirer. The acquirer is the bank where the merchant holds their account. Once the acquirer receives the transaction details, it sends the transaction to the card association, in this case, let's say MasterCard. The merchant's acquirer asks MasterCard to request authorization from the customer's issuing bank. At this point, MasterCard submits the transaction to the issuing bank asking for authorization. The issuing bank, which holds the customer's account, authenticates the details provided. This includes checking if the card details, balance, and other factors are valid. If everything checks out, the issuing bank sends an authorization response back to MasterCard. When the issuing bank authorizes the transaction, the information is routed back to the merchant, confirming that the transaction is successful. Simultaneously, the issuing bank transfers the payment to the merchant's bank or the acquirer, who deposits the funds into the merchant's account. And that's the complete flow of a transaction, from the moment a customer makes a purchase to when the merchant receives the payment. If you haven't checked out our previous videos, I highly encourage you to watch them for a deeper understanding of important fraud terminologies and concepts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us continue to create more content for you. Thank you.